Hello and welcome to the Defants vSIRT platform. In this new video, let's explore the filters features that can be used to start an investigation in a semantic graph. To view the filters, click on our right sidebar using the drop-down arrow and then search for nodes. The first filter is based on the type of effect. Effects can be categorized or subcategorized based on their type. For example, system host and system account effects can be grouped into the same category. Using type filters can help to quickly identify nodes that have similar characteristics and group them accordingly. The second filter is based on reason, which gives meaning to the link between two nodes. Reasons can include verbs such as has, contains, execute, send, etc. By filtering by reason, you can easily identify specific relationships between nodes and better understand how they are connected. If you would like more information about our type and reasons, please visit our documentation in the Lexicon tab. In conclusion, type and reason filters can be used as a starting point for analysis strategy and help to quickly identify relationships between data in a semantic graph. If you found this video useful, feel free to consult our documentation for more information and tips. See you soon.